Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create a neon outline shape in CapCut PC. So go to library and I'm just going to add, I'm just going to add this as the background, and then I'm going to go to mask and I'm going to select a shape. Go to effects and add a neon outline, or go to the comic one and add in a neon. It is totally up to you, but I think I'm just going to choose the neon outline one instead. And if you want it in a different color, let me just delete that. You're just going to basically add in the black and white filter on top of that. It is kind of a hassle, to be honest. If you want it in a different color, go to media and then choose the color. I know it looks red, but it's because it's just the color of the red outline. Go to blend mode and choose linear burn to change the color, and you might want to add in some edge glow to it just to make it more glowy, like so. And you can even add in like a text on top of that. Okay, if I create a compound clip, the glow is going to disappear a little bit, so just keep that in mind, because I did mask it. If you want, maybe hold on. Oops. Maybe on the mask button, you can move it up just a little bit and feather it out. And it's totally up to you, and you can add in a love inside, and you can create other shapes with it too, like the star one and the circle one, etc. But that is basically it. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!